The greater than or equal operator is a relational operator used to compare two values. It returns true if the value on the left side is greater than or equal to the value on the right side. Otherwise, it returns false. This operator works with numeric types such as integers, floats, and doubles. It also works with characters, comparing their Unicode values. In addition, it can be used with certain user-defined types that support comparison through custom logic.